Hey guys, welcome back. In this one, I'm going to show you guys how to check if one cell equals to another cell. Alright, so it's a good way to do checks, in which I'm going to show you in a second. And it's also a way for you to filter information if it meets a certain criteria. So let me show you what that is. First, you want to start with the cell where you're going to represent the data. All right, now we're going to do value checker. Now what we're going to do is check that this value, the per month value that we calculated first, equals to the nested formula over here. Now instead of looking at it and go, yep, 41.7, 41.7, 62.5, 62.5, that's a waste of time. You don't want to do that. You just want to use this formula and be done with it. So you want to go equals, select the first value, and then equals again the second value. So does E3, which is over here, equal to F3? And if it's correct, if it's equal, it'll say true. And if it's not equal, it's going to say false. All right, so let's press enter. And there you go, it's true. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this value to 20 to show you what it looks like. Now, if we extend this formula all the way down, you're going to see false. So straight away you see, all right, there's a problem here. What happened? Okay, the formula is not correct. So let's extend this. And then now it's true. So it's a great way to check your results or check your formula. There's a lot of variations you can do with this. When you start dealing with bigger tables, nobody wants to check 100 rows of data and making sure it meets a criteria. You just want to put a formula in, takes 2 seconds, extend it with the fill handle, takes another 2 seconds, you skim down, you say false, true, and so on. Later on, I can show you how to do a conditional format where the false ones are going to light up with a color. Ugh, I'm so excited. I love conditional formatting. Anyways, I'm getting off topic. Hope you guys enjoyed and understood what the value checker does, or the true, false, and all that. And I'll see you guys soon.